In problem number 11, basically it means that if you do many trials of flipping 3 coins, the percent that wind up all heads is 12.5%. Is getting close to, because it's never going to probably be exactly. But the more you do it, the smaller the variation. For problem number 12, we're going to do 1 times 0.3 plus, we're going to figure out what's missing first. We're going to do 1 minus 0.3 minus 0.25 minus 0.35, which gives me 0.1. And then since I want the probability of the odds, the 1 has a probability of 0.3, the 3 has a probability of 0.1, which means the answer is 0.4. In problem number 13, there is a 85% chance of him making the bus on any given day. Make sure that it goes for all 4 days, so you're doing 0.85 to the 4th power, which means that there's a 0.522 chance, or 52.2% chance. For problem number 14, what is true about the pieces of paper? The probabilities are bigger than or equal to 0, and they also add up to 1. 15, you got to find the expected value, which is 0 times 0.3, 10 times 0.3, plus 20 times 0.1, plus 30 times 0.3. That gives me the answer of 14. Alright, for problem number 16, we're trying to find the mean and standard deviation when we add these two things together. And so we can just add the means, but for the standard deviation, we need to add the variances and take the square roots. So we got 7 squared plus 4.5 squared, and we always want to add those. So 7 squared plus 4.5 squared, take the square root, and that turns out to be about 8.32. For problem number 17, what is the mean and standard deviation for the net gain you make? Well, $17 times you save $3, which is $51 off. And since the standard deviation is 5, you just multiply that by 3, and so your standard deviation would be $15. Problem number 18, the first one is a success, the second one is a success, the third one is a success, the fourth one is a success, fifth one is a success. So 97% of the time we have successes on those first 5, and then I'm going to multiply it by 0.03 for the last one. So 0.97 to the 5th times 0.03 is 0.0257, I guess 58. Sorry, just making sure 0.97 to the 5th power times 0.03 give us 0.0258 for the last one. For number 19, the 25.5% is the entire group, and that gives us what is the parameter. And the 29% is the statistic. Problem number 20. suppose we had a proportion and we poll 1,000 people. If we poll 1,000 people, then we get approximately the same standard deviation, because sample size is what's important when finding standard deviation. And that'll be it for this video, and we'll do the last set on the next video.